Hey guys, in this video, we're going to go over how to fix your Transunion credit score, okay? Now, the first thing I want you to do, hover over credit once you're in transunion.com, and then click on credit disputes, okay? And then you'll be redirected to this page where you can dispute your credit. So if you don't have an account yet, you can go ahead and create a free account and review your credit report, see what you want to dispute, if there's any fraudulent entries, if there's any errors, or if there is something that has been omitted. Okay, you need to determine that, and then of course you will need to gather supporting documents to support your claim. This can help with your request. You don't have to though, and sometimes when you don't do that, they will contact your bank just to verify if everything is accurate. But if you do have supporting documents, it'll be much faster, okay? And then you just submit and you track your progress online through your account. Really that easy. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to frequently asked questions.